Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to talk about what you need to do if you don't remember your BOB Net Banking's user ID. I'm going to guide you through each and every step that how can you reset it. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, I'm showing this process on my laptop, but if you have mobile phone, you can follow the same thing. First of all, you just need to open any particular browser in your mobile phone and search for BOB Net Banking. Select BOB World Internet Banking option. It will take you to the next page. Over here, select Retail User Login. Now, once you are on login page, it will ask you to enter user ID. But if you don't remember your user ID, in that case, all you have to do is you just have to select Forgot User ID. So select Forgot User ID option. And on the next page, it will ask you to enter your account number. Once you enter account number, after that, make sure to enter your mobile number. And over here, basically, you can select if you want to select email ID or mobile number. If you have selected mobile number, then you have to enter mobile number. If you have selected email ID, then you have to enter the email ID. Once you enter everything, just simply continue and go ahead. So I have entered everything. Let's tap on continue. Now, once you are on this particular page, it will ask you to enter OTP, which is sent on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP and again select continue. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap continue. So now you can see user ID has been sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Now what you have to do, you can just simply go to your email ID, or else you can check out the SMS in your mobile phone for the user ID. So you will find your user ID over there, and after that you can again just go back to the login page. You can enter the user ID, and after that you can enter the password, and you can simply complete the login process. So now you can see it is giving me an option to enter the user ID. Let me show you one more thing, that if I go to my Gmail, this is how the mail looks like. So you can basically select the mail, and this is your user ID. So you can copy the user ID from here, and then you can paste it on the login page. Once you enter the user ID, simply tap on login option. And now it will ask you to enter the sign-on password, which is the internet net banking password. Enter the captcha and just complete the login process. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood how to find your user ID if in case you don't remember it. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in a bit. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.